Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you today?
I hope be dancing.
What's your name?
My name is Nguyen.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby dancing.
Okay, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Why?
Because I want to be math teacher.
Okay, when is your birthday?
Mm, my birthday in October.
What do you want to drink?
I want some. I want some lemonade.
What do you want to eat?
I want some chicken.
What do you do on Saturday?
I had I do house.
Housework. What do you do on Monday?
I still go to school.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 5 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6 o'clock.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast six five.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed nine at 9 o'clock.
Okay. Where is your school?
My school in village.
How many buildings are there at your school?
There is one building.
How many computer rooms are there at your school?
Uh, there is one computer room at my school.
What subjects do you have on Monday?
I had I had Vietnamese, math, and English.
What do you do at the weekend?
I listen to music.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
What can your mother do?
She can cook.
What can your father do?
He can swimming.
What can your sister do?
She ride a bike.
What do you do on Tuesday?
I study at school.
When do you have history?
I had Tuesday and Thursday.
Okay. When is your sports day?
My sport day in November.
Where were you last summer?
I was Heartwarming.
Ready? Number 4. 1, 2, 3.